Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate ChatGPT in VS Code. So go to the extension and type here ChatGPT. Hit enter, and here you can see you have some option here ChatGPT. So don't go with this any of them. Just go with this one, easy code. Okay, ChatGPT easy code. So click here install. Select trust publisher and install. Here we go. Now we have to actually select all of them, mark down. So select this, done. Now in the left side, here you can see we have option here. Now we have to actually log in here with the email and password. We may actually sign up with the email and password. So let's give here email and password. So first of all, I will give here admin. Okay, so we'll select here, let's say developer. Now sign up. So they have sent us verification email. Now let's go to the browser and let's go to the Gmail. You have this verification email. Now we'll click here in the link and it will be verified. Now we'll click here verify. Thank you for your confirmation. Here you can see verified successfully. Now we can actually go back to the VS Code. And here we have, now what you can do is you can actually click here in the plus icon to generate chat. We say here that I want registration form. Hit enter. Let's check how it works. Here you can see it's generating the code and it's really fast, right? So now we can actually copy from here and we can paste it here. Ctrl plus V. Now if you want to run this, what you have to do, you have to go for the live preview. So if you don't have this extension, go for the extension and type here live preview. Here you can see. So just install this, and after that you'll find here option in the right side, this search icon option, show preview. So click here show preview, and here you can see there is a nice registration form. This is how actually you can make your work really simple through this AI. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.